How to read a Snapchat message without sending a read receipt. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to read a Snapchat message without sending a read receipt to the person who sent you the message. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button on this video. So although Snapchat is convenient for its disappearing messages, having the sender know as soon as you've opened their message can be a bit of a pain. Luckily, there's a little trick that you can do to avoid that. So to be able to read a Snapchat message without letting the sender know you've looked at it, you can take a quick peek without fully opening the message. To do this, open up your chats, then place your finger on the person's avatar and then drag it to the right so the chat window starts to open, but make sure it doesn't fully open. This allows you to open the window just enough to read the chat without actually opening the message, so it will not be counted as read and your friend won't be able to see that you've read it. When you're finished taking a peek, slowly slide the screen back over to close the conversation without it being marked as read. And that's all it takes to read a Snapchat message without sending a read receipt. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.